Hey guys, welcome to Jacob Toys Review. Today we're going to be unwrapping Kinder Surprise eggs. Now let's go. Welcome to Jacob Toys Review. It's hard to unwrap these kind of. Okay. It's Elsa. What? So now let's build it.
You got Elsa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh. On the ice. Okay. Man, it keeps falling.
Keeps falling.
Yep.
Are you putting her on right?
Let me see. Oh, so that's goes like that. And the kite goes like that.
The kite. It's called a cape.
Kate?
Cape.
Cape. Goes like how does cape come off?
You need help?
No. Just did it and it came off. It's kind of hard. The cape ripped.
The cape ripped?
Yeah.
Okay.
It still looks good like this. For all you girls.
For all you girls.
Let's open this chocolate last.
Okay, you waiting for the chocolate?
Yeah. I'm gonna force you the toys.
Okay. Who'd you get this time?
Elsa!
Elsa again? Oh no.
Girls, if you want to win some kind of this toy, so you better subscribe if you want this toy. This time, I hope it doesn't rip.
Let's hope it doesn't rip, yes.
Wait a second. What? Oh, so now I get it. But I got it!
You got it?
Yep.
So this one didn't rip? This one did and this one didn't.
So girls, you might get to win one of these.
Okay, what's next?
Chocolate.
Chocolate time? Oh no, you're gonna be in a sugar rush after this. You're gonna combine them together?
Yep.
Okay, let's take a bite. Let's see how good it is for the camera.
Mm.
Oh, looks like you really, really like it. 1 out of 10. How good is that chocolate?
10.
10 out of 10? Looks like you're enjoying it. Okay, well, we're going to let you enjoy your second one by yourself. So this is the time where we say
Bye. thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, turn on your post notifications so you never miss the next video. See you guys soon. Bye.